You're really analyzing the market over and over, try to be exact as possible before you start trading, but then whenever you start, it doesn't turn out well. Do you know this problem? If yes, you're exactly right in this video, because we are going to talk about the most common mistake in analyzing the markets. The mistake really many people do, and which really results in a disaster in trading, and especially in a really big confusion. And this common mistake we'll talk about right now, so let's start. Many people analyze the market. Start with a bigger time frame, go lower to the next time frame, and then jump. So they're not concentrating on one or two time frames, they look at several different ones. And this is what really leads into confusion. Confusion in the head, confusion in the trading strategy, confusion in the trading rules. So let me explain why this happens. For example, in the weekly chart, we are seeing a clear upwards movement, and here after the pullback, the market starts to make its upwards movement again, so probably continuing long. So seems like a good entry to enter the market right here. And then we go to a lower time frame, for example, daily chart. And there we take a look and we have a clear upwards movement looking really well, but we see we're here at the top and starting for a pullback in this movement. What we can't see here, because this small upwards movement is exactly this movement on a lower time frame. So here it seems like we can trade the pullback. So here it would be an upwards trade, and here would be a downwards trade for the pullback until here, when we probably see the market continuing to go up. So two different time frames, two different views. Now let's take a look at an even smaller time frame. And there, this part could look like a sideways range. So coming from up here, but then ending in sideways range. So this part here in a lower time frame could look like this. And if we go even smaller, it may look like we are about to have a breakout. So you see, this would be trend following. I will take another color for this to make clear. This would be trend following, for example. This would be correction trading. This would be sideways trading, because you could really trade within the sideways range. If you reach this upwards level, you could, for example, trade downwards here and back here. So you could do sideways trading. And here, last but not least, breakout. But you see, it's all the same market, but a different time frame you're having a look at. And this is the reason why this can lead into confusion really fast. Because if you want, you can trade almost every strategy. You could do trend following, you could do correction trading and trade the pullback. You could also do sideways trading and also use a breakout strategy. So the trader could really do everything and is totally confused. And that is the problem, because this leads into trading everything or nothing, and doesn't really end in a really serious, repeatable, profitable trading. And this is what we want to do. So what's the result to this? What can we do? And the most thing is concentrate on 1 or 2 time frames. And when I mean 1 or 2, or when I say 1 or 2, I don't mean that you are gonna have the same look at this at 2 time frames. Concentrate on exactly 1 time frame that you are looking for to enter a trade. Only 1 time frame in this case. And the second time frame you can use to confirm your entry, to have a higher chance that your trade is gonna end well, because we want trades with high possibilities of profits. So this is what you need to concentrate on. Decide for one you're trading on, and then for the second one, if you want to confirm your entry, and then define it really well. Write it down into your trading rules and then stick to it. Follow your rules. Stay with it and trade exactly what you have defined. This way it is repeatable and profitable. Of course, you have to check your strategy once you define it, if it's working, if it's profitable, and of course for many times so it's representable, your results. But once you have done that, really write those rules down and stick to them. That way it's profitable and repeatable. You don't get confused by all the different chances you have in the market, because if you want to look for something, if you want to find a specific strategy, you will find it everywhere. You will find every strategy somewhere, but you need to focus. That way you won't get confused and trade setups you're not wanting to trade. So this is the secret how you can end your confusion and your random trading and you're jumping from one strategy or one entry and to the other. So concentrate, write it down and focus on it. And this, I will promise you, will lead to your success. If you want to learn more, click now below this video and there you'll find the link to my Telegram group that you are free to join. So maybe I will see you there or at the latest next video. Bye bye.